Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two utility knives. So on the top I've got the slice. You're going to open and close it like this. It will stay open. It's got like a little latch there when you want to close it. Now it's got a little lock here to change the blade or turn it around. You're going to move that, you lift the back up, and then you're going to have to disconnect this a little bit. Now there's the blade. Now I've got this for right-handed operation. I can put it in there for left-handed operation. So to change the blade, it is just a little bitty ceramic blade. I can reverse it, put it in, reverse the order, put that notch in the front, move that to lock. Over here on this one, I can put the utility knife out in different positions and it will lock. It's got like a gripper on it. And then if I want to change the blade, move it all the way forward, push the red button and the blade will come out. I can turn it around. Push the red button. When you put it back in, make sure the red button pops out, and now my knife is changed. All right, so let's see how each one cuts. Here's the slice again. It does a really good job of cutting. Now this is double cardboard too, so it did the whole depth of the double cardboard. Let's turn it over. Let's do this one. Again, that's got a much bigger blade that sticks out. It does cut a little bit easier, but it is quite a bit bigger. So as we zoom up, here's how much blade is sticking out on both of them. So on the slice, you're looking at about 3/8 of an inch sticking out. On this one, you're looking at about 7/8, just a little over 3/4. So kind of meant for two different things maybe. Maybe you're going to keep this in your pocket or something, just when you got to do something really handy, and this one's a little bit more for heavy duty work. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.